Do you think stack traces are machine-generated, obscure, and boring? You're partly right, partly wrong. They are machine-generated, which makes them easier to analyze. But boring? Not at all. If you study them, a whole world will open up. Here's what we did with them. We crawled the web for all JVM stack traces, millions of them. We dissected each one of them like a biologist dissects a bug. We analyzed their similarities and looked for patterns. We built a taxonomy of them, like Carl Linnaeus did it for living organisms. This is our knowledge base. It grows every day. This is how it grows. We add new stack traces and related content from external sources. This way, you will get every related discussion found on the internet for your error. This is what happens when you search for a stack trace on Samebug. We dissect it, just like we dissected other stack traces. We look for similar ones in our knowledge base. We show you the matching stack traces. We provide all kinds of information, like why it happens, how to solve it, and who has seen it before. This way, you will be well equipped to fix your error, and your app will be up and running in no time. When modernization has hit every aspect of life, it's time to change debugging as well.